So let's sit down and actually talk about the Valley. Because honestly, this community is turning into something really special. And not enough people are really paying attention to it right now. First, let's talk about homes themselves. You know, in phase 1, the 3 beds were about 1,900 to 2,000 square feet. Decent size, right? But when new phase 2, is a whole upgrade. The 3 beds here are 2,400 to 2,500 square feet. That's like 500 or 600 square feet extra. And trust me, in a family home, that space matters. And in Dubai, it really matters. It means a bigger living room, bigger bedrooms, and just more breathing space. You don't feel cramped up. And another big chance is that the layout. In phase 1, some clusters had 10 houses in a row, the 10plex. Now they have cut it down to maximum 4 houses together. So you get way more space, less density, better natural light, and honestly, it feels like a much higher end product. And then the lifestyle side. There is where the Valley really stands out compared to other townhouses and communities. They've got the massive central park, 250,000 square feet, and it's literally right inside the community. That's one of the biggest community parks in all of Dubai. They have got the Golden Beach, volleyball courts, hammocks, mini golf, sports village. It's like every kind of outdoor lifestyle rolled into one place. And for kids, there is Kids Dales, Adventure Park, plus multiple play zones. So whether you're a family with young kids or someone who just wants an active outdoorsy lifestyle, it's built for you. And here's the thing, it's not just about leisure. The Valley is designed as a complete self-contained community. So inside the master plan, you're getting 2 international schools, a full hospital, and even a mall. That's massive. It means you don't really have to leave the community for your daily life. You have the schools, shopping, healthcare, cafes, dining, all right there at your doorstep. You literally wake up, walk your kids to school, grab a coffee on the way back, do your work, hit the gym, take an evening stroll on the Golden Beach. It's that kind of lifestyle. Now location. A lot of people ask me, isn't the Valley too far out? How do you define far? Far from what? And I always do tell them, actually no. It's directly on the Dubai Al Ain Road. You're about 25 minutes to downtown, about 25 minutes to DXB Airport, and if you want to head to Dubai Marina, that's also super accessible. Plus, Al Ain Road is one of Dubai's key growth corridors. That means more development, more infrastructure, more demand coming in this direction. So when you are looking long term, you're positioning yourself right in the path of growth. Now let's talk about the numbers. And this is where the investment story gets interesting. Right now, the Valley is selling at around 1,400 to 1,500 dirhams per square foot. Compare that to other communities along the same stretch. You've got places trading at 1,800 to 2,000 per square foot. The Valley is still at the sweet entry point where you are not really too early because the community is already alive, families are living there, schools and cafes are open, but you're still early enough to catch the serious appreciation. And plus, Emaar is offering a flexible payment plan, also their standard payment plan, which is like 80-20, which means you're paying during construction and the balance on handover. That makes it so much easier for both end users and investors. You don't have to put in everything upfront. And let's not forget the supply situation in Dubai right now. Townhouses and villas, zero availability from developers. If you call me today and say, I want to buy a townhouse straight from Emaar or the MAC or Miraz or any other developer, I can't get you one. Everything's sold out. The only chance you get is when there's a new launch, and those sell out really fast, on the same day in fact. That's how crazy the demand is. So when you do get a launch like the Valley Phase 2, it's a real opportunity. Just think about that for a second. Dubai Hills is one of the most iconic sought after communities in Dubai. Now imagine something bigger with more amenities, more space, more families. You're getting at half the price of Dubai Hills when you're talking about villas. That's where the long-term value is. So yeah, that's why I really believe the Valley is one of the best investment opportunities on the market right now. You've got bigger homes, bigger layouts, more lifestyle amenities, a full master plan with schools, hospitals, great connectivity, competitive pricing, and Emaar's track record behind it. Whether you're buying to live in it or purely as an investment, the Valley ticks all the boxes. Now the Valley isn't just any other community. It's built around the new development area. Now let's just take the previous launch in the Valley. Rivera was launched and was sold immediately immediately after. How many opportunities of villas do you see in Dubai? Think about it. We have so many people, that means so many end user families that will be moving to Dubai, and that means automatically the demand for villas and townhouses eventually increases because the supply is so low. So now with lower supply of townhouses and villas, and now Emaar launching their new product, this is your chance. Now to get on to the prices, well, we are expecting the 3 bedrooms to start at approximately 3.5 million dirhams, and I have already mentioned the payment plan, which is 80/20. Now I can just tell you that the early bird grabs room. So if you're interested or you want to know more about the project, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.